So as you very well know, as I told you previously also, that the value of sine n pi is 0. So never reconsider it that you have to find out the value of sine. Just neglect them. Now the term left is this minus. Minus, if you distribute here, minus is cancelled with minus. 1 minus 2x cos nx by n square. Limit minus pi to pi. So if you put pi once, 1 minus 2 pi cos n pi by n square minus lower limit 1 minus minus plus 2 pi cos minus theta is also plus theta, so n pi by n square. If you take cos n pi by n square is common, 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 minus 2 pi it is left. Then 1 is cancelled with 1. What we get? 1 by pi cos n pi by n square minus 4 pi. Pi is cancelled with pi. Then remember this thing, the value of cos pi is minus 1. The value of cos 2 pi is plus 1. So whenever there is odd terms of pi, then it will comprises of minus 1, and if even, then plus 1. So here we don't know about n, the nature of n, whether it is positive or even or odd. So you have to just simply write it like this. Okay, minus 4 by n square. This is your what? An. Now it turns to find out the value of Bn. For Bn, what you have to do? The formula is 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx sine nx. Okay. Now substitute the value of fx, which is x minus x square. Again you have to do all the same steps. First function as it is, integration of second minus derivative of first function, integration of this. You have to write it in now. Okay, then derivative of first, derivative of this, and then integration of this. Is it okay? Now, as I told you previously also, that never count sine for terms of minus pi and pi. So you have left with x minus x square minus cos nx by n minus 2 cos nx by n cube. Simply substitute the values. X is what? Pi. Cos n pi minus 2 cos minus theta is also the same thing, n pi by n cube. Okay, this is your upper limit minus, now it turns to find out lower limit, minus pi square is plus pi, minus pi square then minus cos n minus pi is also plus pi. Okay, then minus 2 cos n minus pi is also n pi. Okay, now if you take it as common, you will see that this is pi minus pi square or minus cos n pi by n, and this is minus 2 cos n pi by n cube. This is minus minus plus pi square. This is minus, so it will become minus only. cos n pi by n. Okay, minus minus plus 2 cos n pi by n cube. This will cancel with this. So if you take what cos n pi by n as common, what you left with? Minus pi minus minus plus pi square minus pi minus pi square. Pi square cancel with pi square. 1 by pi minus 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 2 pi cos n pi by n. Then pi is cancelled with pi and you will left with, that means minus 2 minus 1 raised to pi n by n. Now you have all the three coefficients. What? A naught as minus 2 pi square by 3, an as minus 4 minus 1 raised to pi n by n square, and bn. Now substitute all these values into it. How? Let's see. Fx becomes what? A naught, which is minus 2 pi square by 3 divided by 2 plus sigma n 1 to infinity an. An is yours minus 4 minus 1 raised to pi n by n square cos nx plus bn. Bn is your minus 2 minus 1 raised to pi n by n sin nx. Okay, now what you have to do, this fx is x minus x square. Now it is transformed completely into the Fourier series. Minus pi square by 3. Slowly you have to expand this sigma. Put n as 1. When you put n as 1, minus 1 raised to power 1 or means minus 1. Minus minus plus 4 by 1 square cos x. Now if you substitute minus 1 raised to power n as 2, minus 1 square becomes plus 1. So it will become minus 4 by 2 square cos 2x. Then also, and similarly it will keep going on like this. Then similarly for sin nx, you have to split its sigma also, its summation expansion. So it will form minus 1 raised to power 1, that means plus 2 by 1 sin x minus 2 by 2 sin 2x, 2 minus, then plus 2 by 3 sin 3x, and so on. Is it okay? Here we go. We have completed our Fourier series transformation. Now some of the questions have some proceeding towards also, that you have to prove that something is equals to 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 2 square. In that type of question, you have to just substitute x as something. Let us suppose if you put x as 0, what you will get? 0 minus 0 square 0. This comes in left side, pi square by 3. 4 by 4, you can take 4 as common. 1 by 1 square, cos 0 is 1. 1 by 2 square, cos 0 is 1. 1 by 3 square, and so on. Then minus happen. And here, as we very well know, sin 0 is 0. So in this way, you have proved it that 4 to the 12. This is your particular series in terms of Fourier series. I hope you understand this. So in rest of the video, we will discuss about further procedures and different types of Fourier series. Okay. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.